Alright, so some things that I changed about my lesson plan were one, the motivation. It had no prior knowledge to what we had been learning, which was patterns. I didn't involve anything to say that we had learned about it earlier. So I changed that and added prior knowledge. I also changed the evaluation because I did not say if it was formal or informal. I didn't really say, so I changed it and it is actually an informal assessment. So now I will start. Alright, good morning, kindergarten. Today we're going to be learning about patterns. Yesterday there was some colors on the board. We said there was a blue color and a yellow color and then another blue color and a yellow color, and we just looked at the colors and the shapes. That's all we did yesterday. Now we're going to go a little bit deeper into that. First we're going to watch this video, and it's going to be asking some questions, so pay close attention because I'm going to pause the video and ask you guys about it. Alright, here's the video.
Hey, hello, this is Timmy, and today we're going to talk about patterns. Patterns. Patterns.
Who can tell me what letter patterns start with? Good, a P. That's very good.
Blue, red, blue, red, blue. Okay, boys and girls, what do you think it's going to be? What color will be next?
Who can tell me what color they think will be next? We have a blue and then a red, another blue and then a red, and then we have another blue. So who thinks blue's going to be next? None of you? So what color is next? Red. Very good.
That's right, red. Very good. Let's try it again with the same colors. You ready? Here we go. Blue, red, blue, red, blue. Okay, I know you know the color coming next. I know you.
Raise your hand if you can tell me what color is next. Jimmy? Red. Very good.
Do it. That's right, red. Very good. Now, let's try doing another pattern with different colors, yellow and green. Yellow, green. Yellow, green. Yellow. Okay, boys and girls, what color's going to come next?
Alright, so this is like the same pattern, but we have different colors. We have yellow, then green, and then yellow, then green, yellow, and then what comes after the yellow? Green. Very good.
That's right, very good, green. Green is the next color. Okay, let's do these same colors one more time. Are you ready? Let's go. Yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. All right, your turn. What color's coming next? I know you can.
Raise your hand if you think it's yellow. Okay, why do you think it's yellow? Could you explain to me why you think it's yellow? It doesn't make quite much sense if it's yellow if we're going yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. If we go yellow, green, yellow, yellow, it messes up the pattern that we have in the beginning, right? So we want to stick with what we have in the beginning. So the next one is green.
Do it. That's right, green. Very good. Thank you for viewing.
Alright. So now that we're finished watching that video, I hope you guys have a better understanding what patterns are. But I'm going to tell you the definition of a pattern. A pattern is a repeating arrangement of numbers, colors, or shapes. Now, we can look at patterns, we can look at numbers and patterns, we can look at shapes and patterns, but today we're only going to look at colors and patterns. So, I have put some blue and green blocks out on your table. I want you to put a blue block, then a green block, another blue block, and then a green block in a row. And then I want you to put the next color that you think it is and raise your hand when you're finished, and I will walk around and make sure you have the correct answer. Be sure to tell me why you think that answer is. I want to hear your thoughts on it. Good, that's correct. Alright, let's try one more. Now put green and green, then blue, then put green again and green, then blue, then put green and green. Now tell me what the next block, what the color is going to be next. Who can tell me that? Good, it's going to be blue. And why is that? Right, that's a pattern. Alright, now I'm going to give you a worksheet and you are going to do number 1. And you are only going to do number 1, and then when you are done with number 1, I would like you to raise your hand and I will come and check if you got it correct, and if you got it correct, then you can move on to the next problems. We only have about 20 minutes. So if you have questions, you need to make sure and raise your hand and ask me. I don't want you sitting there and just staring at your paper when you could be asking me or another student for some help. Alright, that's my lesson plan. Now, Dr. B, you're going to meet my dogs. This is Nova. Lily. No, come here. Come here. And this is Lily. See? Hope you have a great night.